Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Abhishek Anand.
Hey, hi guys, welcome to session 2. In this session, we will talk about the prerequisites of the C Sharp application. So, what all the things we need before learning the C Sharp. Okay, so so we need first of all Visual Studio 2019. So, and next is fresh mind. Do not keep anything in the mind like how to learn. It is hard. Or it is very easy. Something kind of. Please keep your mind fresh and start learning that. And next, we will see. We'll create one GitHub means repository, and all the codes we will be doing in that repository only. So let's first introduce this Microsoft from Microsoft Visual Studio from where we can download it. Okay, so I've given a link, and I'll post this link to the description box also, so you can download the. So this is the Visual Studio link, and you can download the community edition. We are nothing but a learner, so we can use the community edition. We need not to have the professional and enterprise, right? So we can use the community edition, and we can do our coding, right? So okay, fine. So next is the fresh mind. I already explained. Please learn with the fresh mind. Do not keep anything in the mind. And while learning, please take a break after 40 to 45 minutes. So it is very useful, guys. Your mind will be stressed after 40 minutes, and please take a break after 40 minutes for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then again start learning that. Okay, and the next is we'll create a GitHub repository for that. So let's do that. So I hope so many people know how to create the repository and all, right? So what I'll do is I'll just log into the GitHub. So let's see. No, this one is not. I'll sign in like you have this GitHub profile, and then I'll sign in. So I have signed in over here. Okay, so here you have a new button. You click on this and say repository learn dot c sharp. Okay, uh, I'm keeping this particular repository as a public only. Okay, so you just use this repository, and I'll be posting this link too in the subscription sorry, I mean to say description window. I mean to say description box actually. Okay, so I'll just click on create a repository. So this repository is created, guys. So I'll be giving you this particular link um, to the description box, and you can take in this particular link, and you can download the code. First of all, I want to say, like, try by yourself any code. If you are doing, do not search on internet, do not Google it. Try by yourself. Try. If I can say one thing, like, if you are doing the sum of two numbers, and if you're not able to do, there is no problem at all in here. Okay, so but try to do by yourself. Try to think, and try to do the code as per the requirement. Okay, so I just recommend, do not Google it, just do by yourself. And you do by yourself, create a branch and post in this particular repository. I'll see that, and I'll review that, and I'll check, and I'll get back to you if you need that. Okay, so that's it from this session, guys. In next session we will see about the writing the C sharp first program. Okay, we'll write a first program of C sharp, and um, we will understand all the terminology of the first program, like what all the things is coming automatically, and what all the things you need to you need to like learn and all things. I mean to say, in easy words, it's a terminology of the first program. When you create a console application, what it comes and what is the meaning of that. Okay, so thanks guys. That's it from this session, and we'll see you later. Okay, thank